नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच वर्ड दैट इज एंग्री स्टेयर। एंग्री स्टेयर का मतलब एक इस तरीके से घूरना, एक तो ना स्टेयर करना, मैं खुद मैं सैड हूँ फिर मैं किसी की तरफ स्टेयर कर रही हूँ, घूरना। स्टेयर में मतलब क्या होता है, घूरना, किसी को टकटकी बांध के देखना। लेकिन यहाँ पर बोला गया है ओल्ड कोल्ड स्टेयर ऑफ रिफ्यूजल। ओल्ड कोल्ड, ओल्ड का मतलब क्या है, जानी पहचानी। ओल्ड का मतलब क्या है कि बच्चे के लिए वही जानी पहचानी स्टेयर है। कैसी, कोल्ड स्टेयर ऑफ रिफ्यूजल। कोल्ड का मतलब क्या है, सैड वाली, नहीं रिफ्यूजल वाली, और वो भी कैसी, एंग्री, ठीक है, गुस्से वाली, जैसे आंख निकालते हैं ऐसे। विच वर्ड इन द एक्सट्रैक्ट इज एन एंटोनिम ऑफ एनकरेज। एनकरेज का एंटोनिम वर्ड क्या है, डिजायर, रिफ्यूजल, सुप्रेस एंड कोल्ड। एनकरेज का मतलब क्या है, डिजायर, रिफ्यूजल, सुप्रेस एंड कोल्ड। नो, डिजायर तो इच्छा होता है, मैंने पूछा है एनकरेज। एनकरेज का मतलब क्या होता है, किसी को किसी काम के लिए करना, प्रेरित करना, ठीक है। और आपने क्या बोला है, डिजायर। डिजायर का मतलब क्या होता है, हमारी इच्छा। सेकंड वन रिफ्यूजल, किसी चीज को मना करना, ठीक है। और सुप्रेस का मतलब क्या होता है, किसी चीज की भावनाओं को दबाना, सुप्रेस करना। एंड कोल्ड, कोल्ड का मतलब होता है नफरत करना, या कोड लुक्स का मतलब क्या होता है कि उस किसी चीज़ को कोई मतलब परवाही ना करना। तो यहाँ पर एनकरेज का मतलब क्या हुआ, एनकरेज का मतलब सॉरी एंटोनिम बताना है आपको। एनकरेज का एंटोनिम सुप्रेस नहीं हो गया क्या? सुप्रेस का मतलब किसी की डिजायर को दबाना, और किसी की डिजायर को बढ़ाना, एनकरेज करना। उल्टा हो गया ना, एंटोनिम ही पूछा गया है यहाँ पर। सेकेंड passage. The child watched them intently and then he made a bold request. Here, child means a little child who was going to the fair. The child watched them intently and then he made a bold request. I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, mother. ठीक है? Questions. Who are them? Who are them? People buying the sweets, children playing with balloons, people buying the Gulmohar garland, and people sitting on the roundabout. फोर्थ वन, ठीक है, क्योंकि राउंड अबाउट का जिक्र हो रहा है यहाँ पर। तो वो जो पीपल राउंड अबाउट पर बैठे हुए थे, वो स्विंगिंग कर रहे थे, उनको समझे बड़े आराम देखा, लेकिन फिर जो मदर फादर से पूछा वहाँ पर जाने के लिए। Why is the request called bold? Why is the request called bold? Because he was shy, because he knew the answer, because he had never sat on it, because he was afraid. I think second one that should be because he knew the answer. पता ना कि भी किसी भी चीज़ को मांगने क्या फायदा, मुझे पता कि मना कर देंगे, तभी वो बार बार नहीं कह पा रहा था। जब देखो स्वीट्स की बारी आई तो तब भी वो नहीं कह पाया, ठीक है। जब बैलून्स की बारी आई, टॉयज की बारी आई तो भी वो नहीं कह पाया, ठीक है। लेकिन जब वो राउंड अबाउट की बारी आई तो उसने बहुत सारे लोगों को वहाँ पर देखा, तभी लास्ट में राउंड अबाउट की जो टर्न आई थी तभी उसने अपने पेरेंट्स को बोला था, एक बोल्ड मतलब स्टेप ले करके कि भी चलो कोई बात नहीं, देखता हूँ क्या पता क्या जवाब दे उन यहाँ पर। तो तभी वो गुम हुआ था, तभी उसको पता चला था कि उसके पेरेंट्स की ओर से कोई जवाब उसको नहीं मिल रहा है। देन ही हैज़ बीन लॉस्ट, ठीक है। तो सेकंड वन आएगा बिकॉज ही न्यू द आंसर। व्हाट इज द बोल्ड रिक्वेस्ट? टू राइड द राउंड अबाउट, टू लिसन द स्नेक चार्मर, टू प्ले विद बैलून्स and all of these. How did his parents react to the request? Parents ने उसकी रिक्वेस्ट को कैसे रिएक्ट किया? They agreed to his request. They refused him. His parents did not show any reaction as they were not there and they were angry at him. Third one. Yes. His parents didn't show any reaction as they were not there. Next चलिए, what happened to the child? What happened to the child? He got scared, he got lost, he was sad, he stayed crying. He got lost. Okay, now we start revise some long questions which you do have to answer 20 to 30 words. The child lost interest in the things he wanted earlier. Why?
Because he lost his parents.
What? The child lost interest in the things he wanted earlier. Why?
Because
Now he got lost.
he desired to achieve
He-
his parents.
Yes, he wanted his parents to be found, but after so much struggle, he couldn't find his parents. But a strange person offered him all the things that he wanted to get. For example, sweets, balloons, ठीक है, roundabout, snake charmer, all the things. But the things were good with his parents. Without parents, nothing is good. That is a common thing, that a child is always happy being with his parents. Without parents, without mother or without any father, there is nothing for any child. ये हम एक यूनिवर्सल बात भी कह सकते हैं यहाँ पर, कि बगैर माँ बाप के बच्चे के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है. The same thing that were desired by the child, now they are all not good for that the same child. Is that clear? Next चलिए. Why did the lost child go towards the temple? Why did the lost child go towards the temple? Write down these questions answer in your notebook. Questions, you will write these question answers at your home as homework. Write questions. Write first question. The child lost interest in the things he wanted earlier. Why?
The
The child lost interest in the things he wanted earlier. Why? Why? Next question. Why did the lost child go towards the temple? Go towards the temple. Next question.
11 minutes.
What happened to the lost child? Third question. What happened to the lost child at the temple? Happened to the lost child at the temple. Fourth question. At the temple. Fourth questions. How did the mother distract the child's mind from the toy seller? Is it okay? Now we revise the next chapter. You will have to write answers of these questions at home. Okay? Now we revise the next chapter, The Adventures of Toto. Second chapter, The Adventures of Toto. Now I read the passage. He could use it to hang from a branch. No need to thrust your notebooks into bag. Keep calm. He could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping up and delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. Who is he in the given extract? A bear, monkey, a parrot, a cat. Monkey. What does it refer to here? Hands. legs, tail, branch.
Tail.
Tail. How is it useful for him? It aided to his looks, and it helped him to pick up food. It helped him hang from the branch. All of the above. All of the above. Yes, the name of he. The name of he in the extract is Toto, Nana, Baba, and Bruno. What can we understand about him in the given lines? He was beautiful, he was dumb, he was stubborn, he was naughty. He was naughty. Second passage, to surprise, he found Nana without apparent cause, pulling at her halter and trying to keep her hat as far as possible from a bundle of hay. Who is his in the given lines? The narrator, the narrator's father, Toto, and the narrator's grandfather.
Grandfather.
ही कौन है यहाँ पर? ही कौन है यहाँ पर? सॉरी, हिज. टू हिज सरप्राइज. टू हिज सरप्राइज. बुक है किसके पास बुक? टू हिज सरप्राइज. इट शुड बी नरेटर्स ग्रैंडफादर. ग्रैंडफादर ने देखा ना वहां जा करके, तो जो नाना था, नाना कौन था ये नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में है. हु इज नाना? हु इज नाना? ए पैट काउ, ए पैट डंकी, a pet horse, a pet sheep, a pet donkey. Why was she pulling her father? Halter. Why was she pulling her halter? Because Toto had bitter ears. Because Toto was eating her food. Because Toto was irritating her. All of these. Did Nana ever become a friend of Toto? No. Did Nana ever, यानी कभी, become a friend of Toto? No. Which word from the given extract is a synonym of evident? Evident का synonym word बताना है आपको. Surprise, apparent, bundle and cause. Cause, bundle, apparent and surprise. Apparent. क्या आएगा? Apparent. Okay, now write down the questions you will have to write in your notebook. Write down the questions. Explain how Toto came to be kept in grandfather's private zoo. In grandfather's private zoo. Next लिखिए. Next question लिखिए. Why does grandfather take Toto to Saharanpur and how? To Saharanpur and how? I repeat, why does grandfather take Toto to Saharanpur and how? Next question, what happened in Saharanpur? What happened in Saharanpur when grandfather was carrying Toto in a bag? Was carrying Toto in a bag. What happened in Saharanpur when grandfather was carrying Toto in a bag? बहुत easy questions हैं. Next question. Give a brief description of Toto. Give a brief description of Toto. Brief description of Toto. Okay, you will have to write answers of all these 8 questions at your home, and you will let me see on Monday.